A for apple. B for ball. C for chocolate. D for doll. E for elephant. F for fox. G for goat. H for hat. I for inkpot. J for joker. K for king. L for lamp. M for monkey. N for nose. O for wool. P for penguin. Q for queen. R for rose. T T S for star. T for tiger. U for umbrella. V for vase. W for woman. X for Xmas tree. Y for yak. Z for zebra.